Pooja. I am working as assistant professor in the AI&ML department at CMR Engineering College, Hyderabad. So today I am going to discuss a very important concept in a Java, that is an exception handling. So first of all, we will discuss what is an exception, what is need of an exception handling, all these things we will discuss in this session. So exception is nothing but an abnormal, unexpected event occur at the time of executions. So these things we will discuss in this session. Next, exception is one of the powerful mechanism to handle the runtime error so that the normal flow of application can be maintained. These things, if you are not handling the exception, the rest of the program will not be executed. If you want to handle that program, it won't be correct. The rest of the program will be executed. So we will see in this example. So I am writing the statement 1, statement 2, statement 3 and statement 4, statement 5 till statement 10. So here I am having an example program. This is, so in between, in the fourth statement I am getting an exception, that is nothing but 5 divided by 0. This is one type of exception, that is an arithmetic exception. It is not be defined. So 5 divides by 0. Already you guys know about these things. The mathematically that any number divides by 0 is not be defined. So this is one type of exception, and file not found exception, which is not exist in that system. So then also we are going to search that file in that system. So here I am getting a exception in the fourth statement. So rest of the program will not be executed. So this is an exception. The program will be correct. Program will be crashed here only in the fourth statement. The rest of the program will not be executed. After handling, if we are going to handle this exception, the rest of the program will be executed normally. So programmer will get a friendly message. That is, we will move to the next step. So otherwise, the user will find the ugly message. He won't get. So Java gets a more important keywords. Those are the try keywords, try block, catch block, and finally block, and throw block, and throws block. So these are the Java keywords which is going to work with an exception. We are getting a try block. First of all, we will discuss a try block. Why we need a try block? Try block can hold the risky code inside the program. So inside the try block, we are going to write a risky code like this. 5 divides by 0. This is one of the exception. So exception things we are going to write in the try block. Next, catch block. Catch block, if something goes wrong in the try block, so that one catches in the catch block. That error can be handled in the catch block. Next, finally blocks. So most of these keywords only we are using: try block, catch block, and finally block. In the finally block always runs whether the error is handled or not. So finally block is completely runs whether the our program is like exception is handled or not. It doesn't matter. The finally block can be always runs if it is handled or not. Next, throw keyword. We can create and throw our own exception using a throw. Throws keyword, if the method might cause an exception, we tell us using a throws. So these are the keywords which we are going to use in the exception handling. So rest, how to catch and how to manage the things, we will discuss through one example. So let us see the example as we discussed in the syntax step by step. Those are the try block. So already we discussed about the try block. It holds a risky code. So already here I mentioned that is arithmetic code. 5 divides by 0. It is not defined. So the try block always it holds a risky code. Try block send it throw to the catch block. Catch block block catches the error message sent through a try block. So catch block catches the arithmetic exception and it writes a message that is a risky code sent through a try block. And the catch, as we discussed, the catch block, something goes wrong, the catch catches and it handle it through a catch code. Next, it will be print like you can't be divides by a zero. So any number divides by zero, it can't be divides by zero. Number we can't divide by any zero. We will print this like exception. So next, finally block. As we discussed, the finally block is it prints. This is always runs. So finally block is runs whether the program is handles, whether our exception is handles or not. Finally block will be executed at the end. So as we see in this exception handling example, we can try it and whatever we are getting an error message that we are going to print that one with a friendly message by using a catch block. After that we will execute it that one by using a finally block. Whether it will be handled or not, it doesn't matter, the finally block will be executed our program. So next one, there are the two main types of an exception handling, checked exception and unchecked exception. We will discuss a checked exception. These are the exception which is occur at the time of a compilation. For example, file not found exception. Next, unchecked exception. Unchecked exception is occurs. These are the program which are going to execute in the time of runtime. So that here the arithmetic exception is